Hello everyone. So prelims is around the corner. Day after tomorrow it is prelims. The day is coming. There will be different categories of students who are giving this exam. The first attempters, second, third, ranging up till the sixth. The challenge of each kind of the attempter are different. For example, for those students who feel that it is not their real first attempt, the challenge is primarily intellectual. They feel that they have not prepared anything as such. Then there will be those for them it is their real first attempt. They've intellectually prepared most of the things, but they are intellectually unsure that whether they have totally prepared things or not. They would be feeling that at the end moment they are forgetting everything. They would be testing themselves that whether I'm able to recall some things, and they will not be able to recall anything. Challenge for these people will also be emotional. That is whether we'll be able to clear the exam, the expectations of the family. For those students for whom it is their third attempt and onwards, the challenge is primarily emotional. Intellectually, they have prepared that much which is required to clear the exam. So it is majorly the expectation of yourself and also of significant others around you. Now, the status is irrespective of whether it is your first or your sixth attempt. Intellectually, nothing more can be done. So that aspect is fixed. And the emotional aspect becomes the common aspect with different varieties of emotions and different scales of emotions. Right? So remember, my friends, that ultimately you need to have what you call as a calm rage. You need to be emotionless. अगर डर लग रहा है तो इन 2 दिनों में इतना डर लो कि डर डर के थक जाओ और फिर अंदर से आवाज आए कि अबे यार हो गया ना, अब और कितना डरूं. Right? So therefore, go in the exam without any emotion, neither excitement nor fear nor pain, nothing. Just be like a machine as much as possible. That will give you the best result. And as it is famously said nowadays in certain memes, कि लेवल सबके निकलेंगे, पर निकलेंगे उसके जो खड़ा रहेगा. तो दोस्तों, खड़े रहो और लगे रहो. ऑल द बेस्ट. गॉड ब्लेस यू.